Very good morning, students. Welcome to your English literature class. Today, we are going to do Merchant of Venice, Act 2, Scene 4, textbook reading. So, students, by the end of this video, you will be able to learn the explanation of Act 2, Scene 4, learn the meanings of difficult words of Act 2, Scene 4, and learn the literary devices of the lines of Act 2, Scene 4. So students, so far we have discussed that Lorenzo and Jessica were planning to elope. Jessica had handed a letter to Lancelot and asked him to give it to Lorenzo at Bassanio's dinner party. So now here, Lorenzo and his friends Gratiano, Salario and Salarino planned to disguise themselves at dinner time since they were organizing a mask party for Bassanio's dinner party. So students, now the question arises, what is mask party? So here, mask party is a procession in which the revelers wear masks over their faces and carry torches. It was a common form of merrymaking all over Europe in the 17th century. So students, now let's read the text. So enter Gratiano, Lorenzo, Salarino and Salanio. Lorenzo: Nay, we will slink away in supper time. Disguise us at my lodging and return all in an hour. So students, mark the meanings of the difficult words. Nay means no. Slink away means slip off. Disguise means false appearance. And us here refers to ourselves. So here students, Lorenzo says that they will slip off at supper time and disguise themselves at Gratiano's house and come back in an hour. Now let's proceed further. Gratiano: We have not made good preparation. So underline the word preparation here, students. Preparation means arrangements. So here Gratiano says that they have not made good arrangements for the mask party. Salarino: We have not spoke us yet of torchbearers. So students, underline the words. Spoke us yet of means not yet arranged for. And underline the word torchbearer and write down, each gentleman participating in the procession would be preceded by an attendant who carried a lighted torch. So students, torchbearer is a person who carried a lighted torch. So here Salarino says that they have not yet spoken about torch bearers, that is the person who will carry their torch lights. Now let's proceed further. Salanio: "'Tis while unless it may be quaintly ordered and better in my mind not undertook." So students, underline the word while, which means useless. And the word quaintly ordered means done with style. So here Salanio says that it is a useless thing unless mask party is done properly. And according to him, in his opinion, it would be better not to attempt it. Now students, let's read the gist. Lorenzo says that they will slip off at supper time and disguise themselves at his house for the mask party and then come back in an hour. But Gratiano and Salarino say that they have not made any arrangements for the masks. They have not even arranged for the torch bearers. According to Salanio, it is a useless thing unless it can be done with a pretty arrangement, and in his opinion, it would be better not to attempt it. Now let's proceed further, students. Lorenzo. "'Tis now but 4 o'clock. We have 2 hours to furnish us." So students, underline the words "to furnish us," which means to get ourselves ready. So here students, Lorenzo says that it is only 4 o'clock and they have still 2 hours to prepare themselves for the mask party. And then enters Lancelot with a letter of Jessica. "Friend Lancelot, what's the news?" So here students, Lorenzo says hi to Lancelot and asks him for the news. Lancelot: "And it shall please you to break up this, it shall seem to signify." So underline the word "and." "And" means if. "Break up this" means break the seal of the letter. So here students, Lancelot replies to Lorenzo to open the letter and then he will come to know the contents of the letter. Now let's read the gist here students. Lorenzo says that it is now only 4 o'clock and they have still 2 hours to change themselves. Then Lancelot enters there with the letter and Lorenzo asks him about the news. Lancelot replies that if he will be pleased to break the seal of the letter, then it will let him know about the news. Now let's proceed further students. Lorenzo: "I know the hand. In faith, 'tis a fair hand, and whiter than the paper it writ on is the fair hand that writ." So underline the words "know the hand" means recognize the hand that wrote this letter. Then underline "it writ on" and write down "it wrote on." So after taking the letter from Lancelot, Lorenzo says that he recognized the handwriting, that the letter was written by a fair hand, that is by Jessica, which is whiter than the paper wrote on. So let's proceed further. Graciano: "Love news in faith." Love news means love letter. So here students, Graciano asks, is it a love letter really? Lancelot: "By your leave, sir." So here underline "by your leave," which means with your permission. So here students, Lancelot asks Lorenzo for his permission to leave. Lorenzo: "Whither goest thou?" So here students, Lorenzo asks Lancelot where he is going. Now let's read the gist. Lorenzo says that he knows the handwriting, and indeed it was done by a fair hand which is whiter than the paper it wrote upon, to which Graciano says that it is a love letter. Then Lancelot asked for Lorenzo's permission to leave. Lorenzo asks Lancelot where he is going. Now let's read further students. Lancelot: "Marry, sir, to bid my old master the Jew to sup tonight with my new master the Christian." So underline the word bid and write down invite. Old means previous. Sup means dine. So here students, Lancelot tells Lorenzo that he is going to invite his previous master, the Jew. So students, who is Lancelot's previous master? That is Shylock. So he is going to invite Shylock for the dinner tonight with his new master, the Christian. So who is new master here students? So Lancelot's new master is Bassanio. Now let's read further. Lorenzo: "Hold here, take this. Tell gentle Jessica I will not fail her. Speak it privately. Go, gentlemen." So here Lorenzo says to Lancelot to wait a little and gives him some money and tells him to give message to Jessica privately that he will not let her down. Then he talks to Salanio and Salarino. Exit Launcelot. Will you prepare you for this masque tonight? I am provided of a torchbearer. So students, underline the word masque here. Masque means a procession in which those who take part wear masks. Underline the word of. Of means with. So here then Launcelot exits. After that, Lorenzo asks Salarino to prepare for the masque party as he has arranged a torchbearer. Now students, who do you think will be the torchbearer of Lorenzo here? So here, the torchbearer of Lorenzo will be Jessica, because this will give them the chance to elope. So students, underline the word torchbearer here and write down Jessica. Okay, so here torchbearer means Jessica. Now let's read the gist. Launcelot tells Lorenzo that he is going to invite his previous master, the Jew, that is Shylock, to have dinner tonight with his new master, the Christian, that is Bassanio. Then Lorenzo gives him some money and tells him to give message to Jessica privately that he will not fail her. After Launcelot's leave, Lorenzo asks Salarino and Salanio if they will prepare for this masque party tonight, as he has been provided with a torchbearer. So torchbearer here is Jessica. Salarino, I marry, I will be gone about it straight. So underline I marry means yes indeed. And the word straight means immediately. So here students, Salarino says that he will prepare for the masque party and he will go to make necessary preparations at once. Salanio, and so will I. So here students, Salanio also follows him. Lorenzo, meet me and Gratiano at Gratiano's lodging some hour hence. So underline some hour hence means about an hour from now. So here students, Lorenzo tells Salanio and Salarino to meet him and Gratiano at Gratiano's house in about an hour from now. Salarino, 'tis good we do so. Exeunt Salarino and Salanio. So here students, then Salanio and Salarino exit by saying that it is good that they do so. Now let's proceed further and read the gist. After Launcelot, Salarino and Salanio also bid goodbye as they have to go to make arrangements for the masque party. Lorenzo tells them to meet him and Gratiano at Gratiano's lodging in an hour from then. Both of them then leave the place. Now let's read further students. Gratiano, was not that letter from fair Jessica? So here students, then Gratiano asks Lorenzo about the letter, if that letter was from lovely Jessica. Lorenzo, I must needs tell thee all. She hath directed how I shall take her from her father's house, what gold and jewels she is furnished with, what paid suit she hath in readiness. So here students, underline the word all, which means everything. Directed means instructed. Furnished means supplied. Paid suit, underline it and write down, uniform of a boy in service to a person of high rank. So here students, Lorenzo says that he feels compelled to tell Gratiano everything about the letter. So he tells that in the letter, Jessica has given instructions about how he should arrange for her escape from her father's house. She has told him that the amount of gold and jewels she can bring with her, and about the page boy's uniform which she has prepared. So here students, page boy means male servant uniform. Now students, let's proceed further. If ever the Jew, her father, come to heaven, it will be for his gentle daughter's sake, and never dare misfortune cross her foot. unless she do it under this excuse that she is issue to a faithless Jew. Come, go with me, peruse this as thou goest. Fair Jessica shall be my torchbearer. Exeunt. So, students, underline the word gentle here. Here, gentle has two meanings. First meaning is kind, and the second meaning is Gentile, which means a non Jewish person. So, there is a pun on the word gentle. Then, underline the word foot, which means path. She do means misfortune does. Peruse this means read this letter. So here students, then Lorenzo says, if the Jew, Jessica's father, that is Shylock, ever goes to heaven, it will be because of his gentle daughter, Jessica. And then he prays that may misfortune never come to Jessica unless under the excuse of being the daughter of a non-believing Jew, that is Shylock. So here students, Jessica is a child of a Jew who does not believe in Christian faith. Then Lorenzo tells Graciano to come with him and read the letter as they go along and informs him that Jessica will be his torchbearer in mask party. And then they exit. So let's read the gist, students. Graciano asks Lorenzo about Jessica's letter. Lorenzo tells him everything that Jessica has advised him as to the way in which he may take her from her father's house and the amount of gold and jewels with which she is supplied. Also about the page boy's uniform which he has in readiness. Lorenzo tells Graciano that if ever the Jew, her father, is admitted to heaven, it will be for the sake of his gentle daughter, and prays that misfortune may never come to her, unless it is for this same cause, namely that she is the child of an unbelieving Jew. Lorenzo tells Graciano that Jessica will be his torchbearer in a mask party, then they exit. So this is all about our today's class. Your homework is solve the work given in your SNAP homework. So thank you students. Have a nice day.